Yeah, we're here for the Nokia 8 review. As you can see, the device is actually a very great device, but I would say design wise I wasn't wowed by this device, in the sense that it's just a plain slab of aluminium series 6000 aluminium. Yeah, unibody fine. If it's craftsmanship, it's awesome, but when you compare it to the likes of the S9s, the LG G6, G7s, you just say it's a plain old slab aluminum device. And also the mere fact that it doesn't come with the 18:9 aspect ratio. Yeah, I understand that it's a 1 year old phone, but at least you should expect an 18:9 aspect ratio from a flagship device that's expected to challenge with others which come with that kind of aspect ratio. But screen quality wise, it's an awesome screen quality. Quad HD screen, that's 2K, 556 ppi, 5.3 inches screen, so it's actually very handy. You could hold it and you could use it easily without any stress. So also, what do we have here? We have an always on display. I don't know if you could see that. That shows you your notifications from day to day perspectives. Then also we have the fingerprint scanner on the front, and we have two 30 megapixel camera at the back. One of them is a monochrome sensor, the other one is a normal RGB sensor. We have laser autofocus for quick focusing, and we have a dual tone LED flash. Then thankfully we have the 3.5mm head jack, and also we have the USB type C at the bottom. We have our speaker grill and our microphones. So for the performance, the Snapdragon 835 is doing a great job, and it also comes with 4 gigs of RAM. Performance wise, it's very smooth, no lag. But for someone like me coming from an iOS device, I would say this: I still prefer the fluidity of iOS to Android anytime, any day. But in terms of versatility, like I can basically make this phone look like an iPhone, and if you're not conversant with tech, you wouldn't know. So for, what will I call it, general tweaking of the phone, yeah, Androids are better, and this phone is a complete powerhouse. It won't let you down. With 4 gigs of RAM, the Snapdragon 835, it's a breeze to go. And what else can I say? The audio quality of this device is great. Then I would say this the sweetest part of this device is also one of its greatest letdown. From Nokia with the Zasys branding camera, you would expect stunning images even at low light, from what we have gotten from the normal Nokia N series. But this just gives you good pictures, nothing too great. But for the dual side camera, that is the only thing I think I really enjoy about this, because I could be shooting a review. Like if you check up the channel, the review on the 1 year later review on the iPhone X was actually done with this, and I could basically do the review, and at the same time you could see my face. So I think that's the major thing I would say I love about this device. And the surround sound when it comes to recording is second to none. Nokia Ozo technology is best in class when it comes to surround recording. And also, I don't know why the Nokia 6 would have a stereo speakers for the device, and this, which is the Nokia 8, which is supposed to be an upgrade, just has the bottom fairing speakers. Yes, it's loud, but nothing as good as watching a video on your phone in stereo speakers. So basically, that's all we have to say about this. So if you're looking for a great device at the budget price which this comes in right now, I think you should go for this device. But if you're looking for a show-off device, I think we have better options in the market, except you want to be going around without a case, because the feel to this aluminum touch is second to none. Then another downside I would say about this phone, it doesn't come with wireless charging. Yeah, that's what you should expect from the unibody designed phone. And I think that's basically it. Great device, good device, but if you want something for a show off, or something that you could always use to challenge your friends, I think we have other options. But you should also take note, they come at a higher cost. But for the price range, I think this is a good device that you would not regret. Thank you very much.